You rolling? Rear dining. It's rear dining.
So this is a wet bath.
Hey MTV, welcome to my crib.
Like those calves?
I've put together some questions.
Check the fit. Be able to let you check the fit.
Do a fit check.
Do a fit check.
Hello! Thanks to an RV Envy blog post I read, I know some of the cool features already. Would you just look at it? But it sure looks nice when you actually sit and park somewhere. You cut a noodle in half. Yeah, here, you get in there and do your thing. Horse poop. Oh my gosh, look, also got hidden bunks. See how hidden they are? You can't even see them. Wait, do I? Oh, I have my iPad. If you just popped out of this thing. A penchant, and the microwave closed itself. The most dangerous part of an RV. Not from experience. I bought an RV from her. You know what it means. Is this my next RV? The wine in the bathroom, yeah. That's where I drink all my wine. This is for you, not for the floor plan game. It's acceptable. And a cutting board. Look at NVB. I think I should have another beer. Don't use this footage. And a trash can. I'd like to step into my office and pop up power. Have you seen the bunk beds? You can totally post that. Oh, hey. Sorry, no visitors.